Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class 12th, subject economics. Our topic is relationship between APC and APS. Relationship between APC and APS. Average propensity to consume and average propensity to save. What is the relationship between the two? As we know that APC is equal to C divided by Y and MPS is equal to, no, it is APS. APC is equal to change in APC is equal to C divided by Y, consumption divided by income, and APS, average propensity to save, is S divided by Y, saving divided by income. We know that. We also know that. We also know that Y is equal to C plus S, and income is consumption plus saving. Income is equal to consumption plus saving. So that APC plus APS is equal to C divided by Y plus S divided by Y. C divided by Y plus S divided by Y is equal to C plus S divided by Y. C plus S divided by Y. C plus S is equal to Y is equal to C plus S is equal to Y divided by Y is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. C divided by Y plus S divided by Y is equal to C plus S divided by Y. We also know that Y is equal to C plus S. C plus S is income divided by income is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. Or we can say APC plus APS is equal to 1. APC plus APS is equal to 1, or APC is equal to 1 minus APS, or APS is equal to 1 minus APC. This is the relationship between APC and APS. APC and APS. यहाँ तक APC plus APS is equal to 1, or APC is equal to 1 minus APS. APS is equal to 1 minus APC. This is the relationship between APC and APS. Now, relationship between MPC and MPS. Relationship between marginal propensity to consume, marginal propensity to save. we know that MPC is equal to marginal propensity to consume is equal to change in C divided by change in Y, and MPS is equal to change in S divided by change in Y. We also know that MPC, we also know that change in Y is equal to change in C plus change in S. Change in C plus change in S. So that MPC plus MPS is equal to change in C divided by change in Y plus change in S divided by change in Y is equal to, ये किसके बराबर है? Change in C plus change in S divided by change in Y is equal to change in C plus change in S. Change in C plus change in S is equal to change in Y divided by change in Y is equal to 1. क्योंकि हमने पहले यहाँ पर हमने आपको बताया change in Y is equal to change in C plus change in S. Change in C plus change in S. That is, change in Y is equal to change in C plus change in S. So that MPC plus MPS is equal to change in C divided by change in Y plus change in S divided by change in Y, which is equal to change in C plus change in S divided by change in Y. That is, change in C plus change in S is equal to change in Y divided by change in Y. That is equal to 1. That is equal to 1. Or we can say, or MPC plus MPS is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. Or we can say, MPC is equal to 1 minus MPS. MPS is equal to 1 minus MPC. 1 minus MPC. यानी कि MPC is plus MPS is equal to 1. अगर हम ये भी कहेंगे MPC is equal to 1 minus MPS. अगर हम ये भी कहेंगे MPS is equal to 1 minus MPC. That's the relationship between relationship between APC and APS, and relationship between MPC and MPS. That is all for today. Thank you.